All right.
Okay.
Okay, we have a choice. Okay.
Let's talk about pants.
Maxime. Oh, you're there. Brilliant.
Pants.
Yeah. All right.
Are you playing?
Are you playing? It's quite big.
Oh,
it's over there.
Here.
All right. Do you have any preference of number? Would you like me to roll?
Let's try.
Okay.
Lucky.
It's a 5. It's a new. Okay. So you have to say the word läuft during your talk.
What I should to do?
You should say läuft. And you should sound German.
How many times?
As many as you like. More than one. I think we're not that hard on the punishments today. Tomorrow, who knows?
Okay.
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 All right. So shall we give you 3 minutes?
Okay. Läuft.
Well done.
How it works? Okay.
Take it away.
Yep. It should be my talk about pants, but I read correctly code of conduct, and I understand I should refactor my talk. But it still lays in my repository, and you can see the previous version of my talk. Okay, let's talk about performance. And I want to say a few words about benchmarks. Left? Yeah. Okay, before I start, I want to say thank you for my family who support me in all my talks. Thank you for my wife, Elena. Thank you for my children, Maya and Mark. And thank you for my family. And special thanks for my daughter, who created the pines for illustration for all my talks. And who I am? I am Maxime. I work more than 27 years in commercial development, and I work with Python more than 9 years, and more than 6 years I worked with front-end frameworks, and I won 3 times awards mentor in engineering. Links to slides on the conference, and before we start speak about frameworks, I have a question. If I'm worried about performance, which framework should I choose? Of course, if I speak about Python, it's too hard to answer. If I try to research some information, I can find, for example, from JetBrains, they collect opinions, and we have famous frameworks and not too famous frameworks. Läuft? Yep. And if I try to compare popularity by GitHub stars, also I have Flask, FastAPI, Django, and not too famous other frameworks. But other case, if I start to compare the performance of important and popular frameworks, they are not too performant. Accordingly to different benchmarks, FastAPI or Django, they are not too performant. And if we start to research some really tech benchmark, FastAPI faster than 3 times than Django, and slower in 6 times than really performant framework on Python. And it means the faster frameworks is less popular. Conditionally, yes. And we have clear reasons why. At first, use range with reduced speed. If our frameworks we can apply for different tasks, we have different wrappers which reduce our performance. At second, easiness. Easiness reduces our speed. If a framework wants to be easy for juniors, They add additional checks and additional error catcher. And in this case, these all reduce our performance. But big problem is community. Big community, if we have big community, this decrease speed of our framework. Different pull requests from different contributors with not properly written code also reduce our framework. In this case, if you work with Python, don't worry about performance and be happy. Thank you.
Läuft? Läuft. Thanks.